Gunslinger, gunslinger, slinging son of a gun. Where have you been and where will you go? Killing's all you'll ever know. Danger has you on the run. Gunslinger, you killed 130 men, gunslinger. And now you'd like to settle down. But other gunslingers are coming for you, and a man's gotta do what a man's gotta do. Gunslinger, 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 where did you go wrong? When you were a child, were you forced to compete with brothers that you never could beat? Did you come from a broken home on the range?